It's a tree frog here on the carport ceiling, escaping the thunderstorm currently underway here at the new house we just moved in today here in Augusta, Georgia. I think this thunderstorm is really agitating this tree frog here on the roof. Trying to stay focused on it whilst the lightning show to my right. And it's rain's only coming down, and it's really a fireworks display out here this evening. There goes more lightning. I came over here from the west side of Augusta, living in an apartment complex there, and got here just in the nick of time. Our tree frog friend here doesn't seem to be affected by it too much. He's on the ramp here, under the carport. Hopefully he won't try to make a beeline for the house. Yeah, moving into the new house and being a storm at all at the same time. Looks like he's just going to wait the storm out. I don't blame it.